Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to connect or pair your phone, like an iPhone or an Android phone, to your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to start by right-clicking on the Windows icon and select Settings. On the left side, select Bluetooth and Devices, and then on the right side where it says Your Phone, instantly access your Android's devices, photos, text, and more. Go ahead and select Open Your Phone, and then you can go ahead and actually update your version of the phone app. So you actually go ahead and check for that, but that's pretty much all you have to do, guys. And if we actually open up the Your Phone settings here too, we can open up suggestions as well if you want to enable suggestions with your phone. Now I know it just says Android, but you can also pair your Apple device to your Windows phone as well. So it's just another Bluetooth device basically. But anyway, pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.